Hello all of you, welcome to AMP Physics Zone. Today we will see about objects and image. Okay, what do you mean by object and image? That we will see today. So objects and image. So in study of light, when we deal with light, anything which gives out light rays of its own or reflected by it is called an object. Okay, so we have seen previously luminous and non-luminous object. Okay, so luminous means they will emit their own light, sun, okay, and chair, table, etc. They will reflect light from its surface. Okay, so when we talk about light, then anything which gives out light is called an object. So bulb, candle, pinhead, arrow, our face, tree, example of object. Now objects are of two types. So very small object, they are called point objects, and large object, they are called extended object. Actually extended object means made up of huge number of point objects. Okay, in drawing ray diagram, so in reflection both ray diagrams are there. So while drawing ray diagram, when we want to find image, or we can say we study formation of image, then we will use according to convenience any type of object, whether point object or extended object. So in ray diagram, point objects are represented by dot. Okay, so we have to make a dot for point object, and we have to make an arrow pointing upward for extended object. So while drawing ray diagram, if object is point object, then we have to draw dot for that object, and if it is extended object, if it is tree, building, etc., then we have to draw an arrow pointing upward. Okay, this is about object. Now image. So in physics, image is an optical appearance produced when light rays coming from an object are reflected from mirror or reflected from lens. So it is an optical appearance. Okay, image is an optical appearance. So this we can understand better by taking an example. So when you are looking into the mirror to see your face, okay, so actually in the mirror we will see reflection of our face, which is called image of our face. So thus when we look in the mirror, we see image of our face. Okay, so in this case our face is the object, and what we see in the mirror is the image of our face. Okay, so our original face is called object, and the thing which we see in the mirror, that is called image of our face. Now this we have to image, we can see when we are looking in the mirror. So image of our face appears to be situated behind the mirror. It will be behind the mirror, and while watching the movie in the cinema hall, we see image of actors and actresses on the cinema screen. So this image is formed when light rays coming from object meets really or appear to meet at a point after reflection or refraction. Okay, so there are two type of images, real image and virtual images. Same way there are two type of objects, real image and virtual image, but we will limit ourselves to real objects only in our discussion. I will show what is virtual object also, but in the throughout the chapter we have to take real objects only. So first we will see difference between virtual image and real image. What is virtual image? What is real image? So virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. Real image can be obtained on screen. Virtual image will be always erect. Real image will be always inverted. It means if we are looking in any type of mirror, if you see the thing as it is, then it is called virtual image, and if it is seen inverted, then it is called real image. So virtual image is formed when rays of light after reflection or refraction appear to meet at a point. In these, rays will not meet really, and in real image the rays after reflection will actually meet at some point. Okay, it is formed by imaginary intersection of rays, because as they will not meet really and they will meet actually, so there will be actual intersection of light rays. Virtual image can be formed by concave, convex mirror, lens, and also by plane mirror. Okay, concave and convex mirror and lens, and also by plane mirror. Real image is formed by concave mirror and convex lens. Virtual image are also called real image. Real image, name itself, it is real. Virtual image is just an illusion. Okay, so these are differences between virtual and real image. Now, type of object. So point from which incident ray actually diverge or appear to converge is called object. Okay, so this is a point actually diverge. So this is diverging rays or appear to converge. So they are appearing to converge. This object is virtual object. Okay, so real object means the rays will actually diverge from the object. So if rays are diverging, the rays which are falling on the mirror are diverging, then it means object will be real. And if rays which are falling on the mirror are converging, it means object will be virtual. But you have to remember that we will deal only with real object in this chapter. So minimum 2 incident rays are required to locate an object. An object is always defined on basis of incident ray. Okay, same way image is a point at which reflected ray actually converge or appear to diverge. So this is object, this is reflection. If you extend it back, so they are appearing to diverge. So this is virtual image. These are rays, this is object, reflection, and they are really meeting. So this actually converging. So this image is real image. So minimum 2 refracted rays are required to locate an image. An image is always defined on basis of reflected and refracted rays. Okay, so in case of image, if reflected rays actually converge, then the rays will really meet, so real image will be formed. And appear to diverge, then they will never meet. We have to extend it back and we can get the meeting point. It means they are diverging they are appearing to diverge. So that type of image is called virtual image. Okay, you can pause, rewind and see it back if you are not getting. Okay, thank you. We will keep till this. Please like and subscribe the channel if you really like it.